Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Matt with Flight Sim Guides. So here we are in the Microsoft Flight Simulator store, and I've told you guys a little bit in the past about which aircraft you can get with each one of the Microsoft Flight Simulator editions. So here's the different editions. You've got your Standard Edition, the Deluxe Edition, Premium Deluxe Edition, and the prices available for them. There's also the Aviator Edition that goes as high as $199 there for pre-order. For any of these that you do pre-order, you are also going to get the Northrop T-38 Talon aircraft. I just happen to have some gift cards for PlayStation that I've been saving. I've been saving them for Grand Theft Auto 6, but I kind of gave up on that, so I'm just going to use it for this. So you guys are going to get all of the benefit of that. But I wanted to show you guys where to go, if you guys want to pre-order this, if you guys have a PlayStation, then you can go directly to your PlayStation and you can actually pull up the game store and you can find this. You'll have to do a search like this and just look for Microsoft Flight Simulator like that, and it'll bring up the one result that there is. Of course, click on that and that'll bring you right back here, and you can pre-order any of these editions that you would like. I'm going to be getting the Premium Deluxe Edition that comes with all the aircraft that I want, to include the Chinook. So that's what really mattered to me, including all of the other 94 aircraft that are available through the Deluxe Edition and the Standard Edition. The additional ones did not matter all that much to me. So we're going to hit pre-order and see what happens. I'm curious how this goes down. I've got a little bit in my wallet there, so due to those gift cards, so I'm just going to go through and make this happen. And there it is. It says, thank you for your purchase. You guys are good. This will release on December 3rd. That is a week, I think about a week early than if you did not pre-order. So if you guys pre-ordered like I just did, you will have access to the Microsoft Flight Simulator about a week early than everybody else. Not a huge deal, but that means I'll be able to give you guys a little bit of pre-content. Not as much as I have seen some streamers out there that are already streaming Microsoft Flight Simulator, which is really cool. Because they got in on a beta version of this. So good for them. Unfortunately, I did not know about that, so I wasn't able to do that. So I'll get back with you guys on December 3rd once I see if my PlayStation 5, an original PlayStation 5, by the way, from 2020, we'll see if it can actually manage to run Microsoft Flight Simulator. I think it's going to be a heavy ask for my old PlayStation. But we'll see what happens. We might have a pro upgrade in the future, because we do have GTA 6 coming up about a year out from now as well. So, all right, we'll catch up with you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for some new announcements that I have coming up as well. All right, see you. Hey, if you haven't already done so, head over to EliteSimBuild.com, grab a copy of our Home Flight Simulator Resource Guide. Do that thing where you click the button, give us your email address, and we will send you a copy of our simulator guides, where you can get the resource list, the avionics reviews, a panel blueprint, so that way you guys can send that off to your panel guy, get all the parts and pieces that you need. You'll know exactly what software to pick up, so you can get your Cessna 172 flight simulator built today.